actually progressing forward. I don't feel stagnant. I'm very happy. And yeah, I was talking to my mom tonight and she was all, oh, I'm so proud of you and so happy that you're so busy. And I haven't been this busy in forever. I'm so happy. Like, I have plans every day, whether it's work or training, or I'll see people, or I'll see Evan, or I'll have to go get groceries. I'm always doing something. I'm never bored. Or I do this. We spend some time together. I would like to film more stuff. I'd like to take you more places. I feel like Evan's getting less shy around the camera. It's just because I'm making him go on camera because I'm a jerk. I'm not going to the gym tomorrow night. I'm gonna have to work, but I will try to take you guys on Friday, and I'll see if I can get someone to videotape me. Because the thing is like, I want to show my family what I'm doing, and I also want to see what I'm doing so I can see how I can improve. So it's not like I'm just like, hey, want to film this so I can put it on the internet. It's like, hey, film this because I need to see where I need to improve. So it's kind of like a win all over the place. I get to show my family as opposed to just telling them. I get to see where I need to improve. I get to show you guys, and it's fun times. So yeah, I'm gonna go edit things now.